Alright, let's take a single 2D image, isolate the object with SAM plus the grounding DINO, and turn it into a 3D model. Now, what we need to do here is remove the background because it will confuse the rendering on the next step. So first we get our image, we got to go in our prompt and we want to say we want the minion and teddy bear. And once we do that, we can run this. After it runs this, it's going to remove all the background like you see right there. And then we can go over here. And then we can, this here will turn it into a 3D model that we can edit with Mesh Mixer, Blender, turn into an STL file. Lots of options we can do. So let's go in here. Let's get our outputs. We go in here. Outputs right at the top. There we have our output, so we open them up. And then here I have some basic settings. I like the resolution at 256. The num chunks I will change to 6000 or 8000 depending on how I want the finish done. I'm going to leave it at 8000. The CFG here is another one that we can mess with to help with the model coming out. So the lower it is, the allows the AI to impact it more. I'm going to leave it at 5. That's what I have it defaulted to. So this step here does take a bit longer. I'm using a NVIDIA GTX 3060 with 12 gigs of RAM. It does put the workload on it. It takes, I think, about 2-3 minutes to do. Which isn't terrible for my setup. I only got a FX 8350 for a CPU, very fossil-like, so it shows that you don't need a high-end computer to do this stuff. Just that graphics card is really important for AI workloads. So here I'm going to run this, and then we'll come back and take a look at it once it's finished, because I don't think you guys want to sit there and watch it, so we'll be right back. Alright, so we have our model already there. Teddy bear doesn't look terrible. We can clean that up, I think. I think a lot of this, I think it would print just like this, to be honest. This is not terrible at all. But we'll run it through Blender and Mesh Mixer and make sure it turns out pretty good. So we'll wrap this video up with that. And I can show other videos of changing it to an STL for printing or cleaning it up. So thanks for watching.